number 21, Perez to number 26, using the gas. 2 points. Ayan. Ano kaya ang depensa ng Cabo Sili? Number 09, Pata. Di diretso. Pata. Makukuha pa rin ni Pata to number 12. At Perez pa rin. So number 6, Perez. Di diretso. Perez. Ibibigay kay Bintinilla. Bintinilla, no basket. Makukuha ni number 12. Dalawa sila. Ibibigay kay number 09, Pata. At Pata is strongly guarded by Bintinilla to number 12. To number 04, Divera to number 12. It's a basket to number 12. Our official score is 43 all. Dikit na dikit ang laban ng Cabo Sili at Barangay Amatalan. At ngayon, number 21, Perez. No basket. Makukuha ni number 0. 0 ngayon. And that is Bataan ba yun? Maaga ba? Number 1, Bataan. Di diretso. Nakadaan si Bataan. 2 points on Bataan. At ngayon, number 21, Perez. At Perez to number 6, another Perez. Titira ng 3. No basket. And Bintinilla for the ball. But still no basket. At makukuha ni number 0 to number 1, Bataan. Bataan bigay kay Pata. Intercepted by number 26. Pero nawala ang bola to number 21, another Perez. At Perez ngayon, perimeter jumper. No basket. Makukuha ni number 2 to number 21, Perez pa rin. 2 points on Perez. At ngayon, number 1, Bataan. To number 0, another Bataan. 1, Tuason. And second team foul. And number 08, Pata. Pata ngayon. Di diretso. And offensive. Foul of number 04. On first personal foul. And first team foul. Number 31, Perez. Perez to number 26. Titira ng Perez. Perez! Basket on number 26. At ngayon, 09, Pata to 04 to number 1, Bataan. At Bataan hanap ng diskarte. Makukuha ngayon ng bola ng Amakalan to number 26, Perez. No basket. At Perez pa rin. It's a basket on Perez. 50-45, 5 puntos ang abante. Makukuha pa rin ng Barangay Amakalan. Di diretso. Number 01, 2 points on number 01. Number 0, Bataan. At Bataan ngayon, di diretso, bigay kay number 12. It's a basket to number 12. And number 22 to number 21, Perez. At Perez. And 01. No basket. Makukuha ngayon, number foul ng 50 seconds.
Hindi ba moral support ng girlfriend?
Baka makakadistra kasi na makashoot. Happy Mother's Day to all. Lahat ng mga ilaw ng tahanan. 10 seconds to shoot. And number 22, Tuason. No basket. Makukuha ni Rampas. Rampas for number 09, Pata. 2 points on Pata. 52-49, tatatlong puntos na lang ang abante ng Barangay Amakalan. Number 6, Perez. Running shot. 2 points on Perez. At ngayon, Pata pa rin. Strongly guarded. Ibibigay kay number 04 to number 1, Bataan. At Bataan ngayon to number 22, Cayago. At Cayago versus number 22, Diderecho. No basket. Number 14, Diaz to number 31. Oras, 1 minute, time remaining. Tuason, long to Tuason. 2 points on Tuason. At ngayon, number 09, 50 seconds, time remaining. Pata, bigay kay Rampas, the big man. 2 points on Rampas. 40 seconds, time remaining. Diretso, Perez, bigay kay number 01, Tuason. Nice assist on number 6. 30 seconds, time remaining. At number 09 to Rampas. At Rampas, using the glass. 2 points on Rampas. 20 seconds, time remaining. At the number 01, Trason. And Trason, no basket. 10 seconds, time remaining. At ngayon, number 10, naiiwan ang bola. Makukuha 5 seconds, time remaining. Diretso to number 01. And that's the end of the third quarter. Our official score is 60-53. 7 puntos ang kalamangan ng Barangay Amakalan. And back to the ball game in this fourth and final quarter. At ngayon, Tintilia from number 6, Perez on the middle. And at ngayon, number 6, Perez. First throw is no basket. Number 6, Perez. Is no basket. Lane automatic ball ng Barangay Pabosili. 60-53. 7 puntos pa rin ang kalamangan ng Barangay Amakalan laban sa Barangay Tabosili. Number 22, Kayago. It's a block. Makukuha pa rin ni Rampas. And Rampas, masyadong malakas. Number 22, Kayago. And first team foul. And first Blue Balo, pick up po yun. Marami officers na Western Union Organization, please pakikap po yun, may barikada tayo para makarisgo sa players tayo. Number 61, Perez. Perez to another Perez. Number 6, no basket. Matatapik ang bola. Nagtapik ang bola pero nakuha na number 26. Number 12, Ben Chinilla. There's no basket. At nakukuha ni number 19 to number 22, Kayago. Tubigay kay number 09. It's a basket. Number 26.
Kayo.
Foul number 10, holding foul.
Tayo.
And that is Rampas. Second, personal foul. Offensive foul. And third team foul. Official score natin. Nagkuna nang naman. Ibal tayo labatan tapo 60-58. Number 09, Pata. Dadalawang puntos ang abante ng Barangay Amakalan. Magdidiglag score. Hindi wala. Makukuha ni number 22. So number 21, Perez. Diretso Perez. 2 points on Perez. Apat ngayon ang abante ng Barangay Amakalan. Number 22, Kayago. At Kayago ngayon looking for the receiver to number. Bola pa rin ng Barangay Tabosili. 14 seconds on the shot clock. 14 seconds on the shot clock. And number 09, Pata to number 08 at 06, Valdez. Valdez to number 09, 10 seconds to shoot. At bigay kay number 19, another Pata. At loses the handle na tigiwan ni Perez. Perez to another Perez, number 31. 2 points on Perez. 62, 64, 58. And number 09, 09, Pata. No basket. At Barangay Amakalan basketball, number 22, Trason to number 31, Perez nagmamadali, diretso, bigay kay Torres Jr. No basket. And makukuha pa rin ni number 26 to number 6, Perez. Ilalapit ng unti, pero mawawala, makukuha ni number 10, Rampas, wrongly guarded by Vincinelia. Rampas pa rin, magpumili, kahit may kitang gwardiya, sa ilalim pa rin, tatlo ang gwardiya. Held ball. 3 seconds violation. 3 seconds violation. And number 31. At Perez to number 22, class 1, perimeter jumper, no good. Makukuha ni number 10, Rambas to number 09 to number 22. And number 22 ngayon, di diretso, strongly guided to 09. Pata, no basket. Makukuha ito ni number 6 to number 21, Perez. Di diretso, Perez. And basket count set by the referee. And foul number 10. Time out, Barangay Tabasili. Last 4 minutes and 58 seconds. Last 4 minutes and 58 seconds on this fourth and final quarter. And for the bonus free throw of number 31, Perez is basket. At ngayon, Rampas makukuha but loses the handle on Barangay Amakalan. Barangay Tabasili basketball. At number 10, Rampas to number 22, Cayago. At Cayago ngayon hahanap ng diskarte. Cayago, number 22. Number 22 pa rin. 10 second to shoot. And number 22 looking for the receiver to number 09. Patak to 5 second to shoot. At titira ng 3. No basket. At ngayon, number 31 Perez to another Perez. Haluk of number 26 Perez. 69-58. Napako sa 58 ang Tabasili. Diretso ngayon, number 09, lumabas pa. Number 19, wala pa rin. At makukuha pa rin ni number 09. No basket. And there's a whistle. Foul number 6.
Go!
Perez. Substitution. Wait, personal foul. Last 4 minutes and 9 seconds. Number 09, Pata. It's a long two. At ngayon, number 31, Perez. Perez, running shot, no basket. Makukuha ni Vindira, pinagkapik ang bola ni number 04. At ngayon, number 22, Cayago. Cayago pa rin. Nagpumilit. Cayago, 2 points. Last 3 minutes and 42 seconds. Makukuha ni number 04, De Vera. No basket. At ngayon, number 22 to number 26, Perez Jr. strongly guarded by De Vera to number 31, Perez. Perez, side step, mawawala ang bola, nakuha ni Tuason. Tuason to Bentidilla. Basket count set by the referee and foul number 6. Time out, Barangay Amakalan. Ang next game natin, ang inaabangang laro sa pagitan ng Barangay Poblacion 2, PNR South versus Poblacion 1, the GP Lionel Street. Time remaining, last 3 minutes and 21 seconds. Our official score is 71-62. Again, for the bonus free throw, it's a basket and number 12, Bentinelia. Dagdag ng isang puntos. Maging 10 na ang kalamangan ng Barangay Makalan. Number 09, Pata, no basket. And Rampas, the big man. Nagpumilit, masyadong malakas. Number 09 pa rin. Mag-aagawan ng bola. Makukuha ni number 09. And there's a foul. Foul number 22. Guilty of pushing foul. Third, personal foul of number 22, Tuason. And fourth, team foul. Warning for penalty on Barangay Amakalan. Number 09, Pata, no basket. At bola mapupunta sa Barangay Amakalan. 72-62, last 2 minutes and 50 seconds. Time remaining at Tuason. So, number 6, Perez, no basket. Makukuha ni number 22, Cayago. At Cayago pa rin. Cayago, nakalusot. And there's a foul number Number 26, guilty of pushing foul of number 26, second personal foul. And now Barangay Amakalan is now in the penalty situation. First throw of number 22 is basket. Is also basket. At ngayon, number 31, Perez. Diretso si Perez. No basket. Makukuha ni number 06 to number 22. Muntik nang mawala ang bola. Number 22 to number 09. Pata, side step. No basket. At makukuha pa rin ang bola ni number 04 De Vera to number 09. Pata. Pata pa rin. 2 points on Pata. 72-66. 6 na puntos na lang ang hinahabol. In last 2 minutes. At ngayon, to number 31, Perez. 3 seconds violation on number 6, Perez. Last 1 minute and 53 seconds. At ngayon, number 09. 1 minute and 50 seconds. Time remaining. On number 04. Rivera to number 22. Cayago is strongly guarded. Muntik na mawala ang bola, but saves the ball. 10 seconds to shoot. At Rampas, nagpumilit. Rampas, wala pa rin. Makukuha ni number 06 for the football. Still no basket. At ngayon, number 26. Last 1 minute and 25 seconds. And number 31, Perez. To number 6, another Perez. Last 1 minute and 15 seconds. Time remaining. 10 seconds to shoot. Number 31, Perez. It's a basket. And number 10, Rambas, and number 04, Devera. Diretso, Devera is a running shot. 2 points and last 1 minute and 4 seconds. Time remaining. 1 minute. Last 1 minute. Time remaining. And there is a foul. Foul number 04, Devera. Second personal foul. And fourth team foul. Warning for penalty. On number 31, Perez. At Perez, strongly guarded by Devera. Last 50 seconds. Then Pinilla, no basket for the putback. And number 22 is a basket. Last 45 seconds. Time remaining. Magawa ang bola. Nakuha nga. Then number 6, padulog shot. No basket. Last 33 seconds. Last 33 seconds. And number 22, Cayago for 3, no basket for the Palion, 06, 2 points. Last 28 seconds. At ngayon, diretso. Symbol pa rin tayo ang Barangay Amakalan. Last 22 seconds. 76, 70. 6 na puntos ang kalamangan ng Barangay Amakalan. Inbound to number 31. Last 20 seconds. Last 15 seconds. 10 seconds to shoot. 76-70. At sa lahat ng mga ilaw ng tahanan, Happy Mother's Day sa inyong lahat. Naway may pansit po dito. Wala ba? Last 10 seconds. And Cayago. No basket. And that's done of the ball game. Congratulations Barangay Amakalan. Shake hands po tayo sa Barangay Tabos City. At syempre, Happy Mother's Day din sa mga father na nagiging mother. Happy Mother's Day.